My dearest brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, coming from Berkeley, California, an axis of intellectual achievement and creativity. And today we're going to be celebrating purple sweet potato juice. These are purple sweet potatoes, and actually they have quite a bit of juice in them. So, and let's prove it. Here we have our champion juicer. So let's get these potatoes ready and give them a juicing. Let's put this pulp through again. Okay. Now, how about a beet? Why not? Organic, of course. So, here we go with the beet. This is going to be a very, very vibrant and alive Okay. And now how about some heirloom and historic apples? This is a black twig apple. It goes way back in American history, you can be sure. So here we go. The juice of a black twig. Who would have imagined? And let's do another black twig. Okay. And finally, how about a lime? We'll just give it a peeling. So, here we have it. Sweet potato, beet, historic apple, and lime juice. What can compare? Let's give it a stir to stir all the flavors together. So here we have it. In these times of delirium, in these times of divisiveness, it's up to each one of us to keep it together. It's up to each one of us to exemplify aliveness. And you can be sure one of the easiest ways to start on that journey is with alive, organic, vibrant food. So here you have a wonderful purple sweet potato juice. And would like to say that I was taken aback very much so by a story on the front page of today's Wall Street Journal that said that the suicide rate in these United States has reached a high not seen since 1941. In other words, 50,000 Americans last year took their lives. This is so very, very tragic indeed. And it's a reflection of the loneliness, of the separation, of the estrangement of the lives that we lead. And another statistic I've recently seen is that obesity in these United States is approaching 50% of the population. This is not overweight. This is obesity. And this in itself is so sad and tragic, because it's really a crying out to return to the fetal state where they were nurtured and loved and all their needs were met. So it's a crying out, and it springs from estrangement. It springs from loneliness. It is not any sort of thing. It is not really related to appetite in most cases, and no one. But it comes from a deep longing from the depths of our souls. So let us consider that, brothers and sisters. Let us reach out. One way is through joining a community garden, approaching your local school and ask them to help to get it together to create an edible schoolyard. Join a community garden, create a victory garden, create an edible schoolyard. And of course this with friends and family and neighbors, but of course, we can do it, we can overcome, we can go forward. So here you have it, purple sweet potato juice enhanced with beets, heirloom historic apples, and lime juice. We can do it. We can go forward. Thank you for permitting me, brothers and sisters, to share with you my privilege and my honor. Please hit the subscribe button down below. Your comments are so appreciated and esteemed. Thank you.